Tonight for our Dollar Tree Keto Meal Challenge, we're going to go ahead and attempt to make some Swedish meatballs. So I have the Italian style meatballs. We're going to serve that over riced cauliflower, and I am going to use the rest of that Monterey Jack cheese. I wish I had more, but that's what I've got. I'm going to use coconut milk instead of heavy cream because that's what they had. I'll probably use a little bit of chicken broth. I'm going to use the rest of the mushrooms that I had opened from the frittata video. So that was about 3/4 of those I have left. I'm going to chop up a few of those peppers and onions that I have left from the frittata. And then I just have some seasonings here that I'm going to add. And so we'll go ahead and get this all put together. I'm just going to start with the meatballs in the air fryer. Saute the peppers and onions and the mushrooms in a little bit of the chicken broth. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on the bottom. All right, so the peppers and onions come sliced, and I did dice those up, and they are still somewhat frozen. And I'm also going to put the mushrooms in there. And I'm not 100% prepared. Okay, so we're going to just cook these for a little bit. All right, so all the liquid is absorbed, so I'm going to add some spices here. I am going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'll do a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And a 1/4 teaspoon of parsley. And just literally a pinch of salt. And then I've got a 1/2 cup of the chicken broth. So I'm going to pour that in. Stir that to kind of get those spices nice and fragrant. How much I'm going to do, I'm going to start with 1/2 of the can. Let's see. How can I do this? There we go. Oh, that looks nice and creamy, huh? Alright, so I'm going to set that aside for now. And then I think what we'll do is bring this to a boil and just kind of whisk around. So I think I'm just going to get this hot, and then I will add the cheese. And we have about 2 ounces of the Monterey Jack cheese. Sorry if there's a lot of smoke there, you guys. I'm going to hope that by cooking it just thickens up as it cooks. So we'll add that cheese in there. And again, that was about 2 ounces. It was less than half because I snacked on a couple pieces of that last night. All right, so I'm going to keep cooking and get this cheese to melt. This is what they look like from the air fryer. I would say that they are done. Smells super yummy. Give that a stir. It actually thickened up, not too bad. I don't know if you can see that. Looks pretty darn good. All right, and that, look at that, you guys. Dollar Tree. Seriously, that looks really good. Okay, So we're gonna serve this up. I have the cauliflower rice. So we'll put some of that on my plate. Oh, let's see, maybe a little bit more. Looks good. Might as well do half. I'm going to share this with my daughter tonight. All right. So let's go ahead and put this on my plate. Looks good. All right, you guys. I'm going to be sure that I put the cost breakdown for you, and I'll also do the macros for you as well on one of the slides. Get a little bit more sauce there. That looks really, really yummy. So if you're enjoying these videos, I would so much appreciate it if you could subscribe, hit the like button, and be sure to hit the notification bell so that you know when I make more recipes. I am doing the Dollar Tree Keto Challenge, and I am doing a recipe each night this week for easy weeknight dinners. So I'm going to go enjoy now. Bon appetit!